Most people think of iron as something we build with, not something we burn. But when iron is ground into a fine powder and mixed with air, it can ignite, release intense heat, and turn into iron oxide, what we know as rust. It sounds like science fiction, yet researchers have already demonstrated iron fuel systems in industry. The idea is simple. Renewable electricity produces hydrogen, and that hydrogen removes oxygen from rust, turning it back into metallic iron. The powder can then be stored, transported, and burned again when heat is needed. Iron is not the original source of energy. Wind or solar provides the energy. Iron simply carries it. Think of the powder as a charged battery and the rust as the empty one. This could help industries that need reliable, high-temperature heat, including breweries, food production, chemicals, district heating, and perhaps some power plants. Iron is abundant, dense, stable, and easier to store than compressed hydrogen. It can be moved by truck, train, or ship using familiar systems. But the technology is not easy. The powder must burn efficiently, the rust must be collected, and the particles must survive repeated cycles. Most importantly, the rust must be converted back into iron using low-carbon hydrogen. One of the best-known demonstrations took place at Brewery Bavaria in the Netherlands, where iron powder generated steam for brewing. Since then, larger pilot systems have been developed for industrial heat and district heating. Iron fuel may remain a niche solution, or it may become part of a wider clean energy system alongside batteries, hydrogen, and direct electrification. It is not a miracle, and it is not endless energy, but it is a serious idea built around a familiar material, used in a new way. Sometimes the future does not look futuristic. Sometimes it looks like a handful of dust.